Hi guys, and welcome to another WordPress Divi theme e-commerce site build. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, in our last video we just put together this little contact page with a Google map here. In this video we're going to explore ways of importing our own fonts into the Divi theme. Now, the Divi theme comes stacked and loaded with all kind of fonts by default. Let's just enable the visual builder. And if we go to a block with some text in it, let's have a look. Go to the design tab and click on the text. If you hit the text font here, it'll open up and show you all these amazing fonts that Divi actually has on board. And like I say, there's absolutely hundreds of them, which for most situations is going to be fine. But occasionally, especially if you're working on a project for somebody else, they'll send you a PSD file, a Photoshop file, and they're using some kind of font that you don't actually have here. So how do you get around that? Well, let's go and grab a font from somewhere. I'm going to sharefonts.net, plenty of free fonts. Let's just grab anything, I guess. See what it's going to look like. Let's use this one, Jalisco script. So I'm going to hit the download button here, and it's going to download it. So here's my download here. There's that script we just downloaded. Let's extract it. And here's what we get afterwards. So let's go back to our Divi theme and click on the text font again. Well, we've got a little button there that we can upload with. Open the upload box. Drag the files that we want over, which is both the OTF, Open Type Font, and the True Type Font. So I'm going to select them both and just drag them over onto that button there. And there we see we got them right there. Now we have to give them a name. I'll give it that same name there. Hit the upload button. There we are. We've now got that font. We've changed our font to that style there. But that's how easy it is to import fonts into the Divi. Just make that a little bit bigger so you can see. Don't know if we've got a bold weight or not. Doesn't look like it. Oh yeah, that's a bit bolder. Okay. So now you have it. You've got that custom font put in there, and that's really easy. Like I say, Divi's got a huge set of fonts, but this makes it really easy if you have to import some new fonts for a particular website project. So that is how you do it. I hope that's been helpful to you. I'm going to undo this because I don't want that font, but that's how easy it is to import a font. I hope you found that useful. If you have, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. If you're interested in web development, take one of our web development courses below. We've got some huge discounts for our YouTube subscribers, There's also some great free courses down there, so do take a look. Once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.